everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am here to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. Now, this week is kind of a slow week, so I really wanted to share with you guys as many deals as I could, but it's just not worth it for some of those deals, and a lot of stuff's going to happen right after Christmas, so if you guys want to stay tuned for that, I might do a 50% off haul. Don't need it, but I don't know if I'm going to or not. I usually like to do 90%. Now, I will be making a predictions video soon for you guys, so you definitely want to check that out. I'm going to try to work on that tomorrow for Monday. But I'm going to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. So I ended up getting the Persil laundry detergent. Now this isn't the greatest deal, but I still wanted to share with you guys, in case you guys have registry rewards or anything, you want to use up stuff for. So this was this was $4.99. There is a $2 off digital coupon that you guys can use. So you get this for $2.99. Not the greatest deal, but I still wanted to share with you guys, in case you guys need some laundry detergent. This is by far my favorite laundry detergent. This is one thing that I do not get rid of. I do not give to anybody. Nobody can take this from my stockpile. This is my ultimate favorite stuff. Over the years, I've noticed the bottles have gotten smaller and smaller, but I still love my stuff. So now, I'm going to share with you guys this deal. Now, I have $5 off coupons, and you guys can see the photo that I had. When I did one of these deals last time, everybody is like, I don't have that coupon. I don't have that coupon. I only have a $3.50 coupon. Coupons are regional. Not everybody has that coupon, and some people might have different numbers, a different amount of money coupons than other ones. So I'm just sharing with you guys on that. So with these two deals that I show you, it depends on if you have these coupons or not. Most of you guys have the $3.50 off one. I had the $5 off one. So that's just what happens. If you guys always want to get $5 off ones, there's people out there who probably have them. You can always go to like clip2save.com and you guys can order coupons from there. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. But I ended up doing the Nautica deal. This was $22. Okay, now we do have those coupons that we got from our inserts a couple weeks ago. This coupon scanned fine, no problem, but the Adidas one I had a problem with, and they had to key it in, and it was the same exact thing as what it was in the coupon. But this was $22. Now, I only did this deal because I get an employee discount. My husband works for the company, so I get an employee discount. So that's why I did this deal. It's up to you guys if you want. But I used a $5 off coupon for this. If you guys have that $5 off coupon, it'll be $17 for this. But then you guys can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta and a $2 rebate with Checkout 51. You can also have a go towards the Spend 29 rebate that is with the Savings Star. So between these two items, I will be getting that $5 rebate for Savings Star. So without the Savings Star rebate, it comes to $13, which is an okay deal. You do get 4 products in here, so I'm going to open it up just because I want to see it. I didn't get to open it up at the store because it is sealed. But you get, this is going to be a stocking stuffer for Graham. But you do get a nice little bag. Like, you do get a nice little bag, and I thought that's kind of cool for him to have. He loves bags. And then you get this spray that he actually uses, so we got that, and then there is a hair and body wash, and then there is a cologne in here, which I'm not going to open it, but you guys can see how big it is just by the top of my hand. So $13, it's okay, if you guys want to go ahead and do that. Now, the next deal I did was the Adidas deal. This, again, was $10, okay? I used a $5 off coupon. Now, some of you guys might have a $3.50 off coupon, so it does vary. But with my $5 off coupon, you guys would get this for $5.50. If you have the $3.50 off coupon, you guys would get this for $6.50. Still an okay deal. But then you guys can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta, and you guys can submit a $2 rebate with Checkout 51. So with the $5 off coupon, it comes out to be $1, but with the $3.50 off coupon, it ends up becoming $2.50, which is still a great deal. Plus, this also goes towards the Savings Star deal where you spend $29, you get $5 back. So I wanted to do that one. This one comes with body wash, like I don't know, a same kind of body wash or shower gel, a body spray, and then aftershave. So got that. I'm gonna give this to Graham, if not my brother. So I wanted to do those two deals just to share with you guys on that. Now everybody's deals are different. I did the puffs. These were $1.24. You guys want to use a 25-cent digital coupon, you guys would get this for just 99 cents. So if you guys need to go ahead and do that, I got a mountain full of paper products right behind the camera. That we got to put away after Christmas. So I did the toothpaste deal. Now I always scan these on the app because not always the coupon works, so I always want to make sure that the coupon pops up on the app, but half the products are not in their system apparently, so it's hard to figure that out. But these were $2.99. You guys want to use a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. You would pay $3.97, but then you guys would get a $3 register reward. Mine's like all rolled up right here. You guys would get a $3 register reward, making it 97 cents or just 33 cents a piece. If you guys were interested with that, I usually say, you should never pay for toothpaste, but, sometimes you got to. But 33 cents is still not a bad deal, so go ahead and do that. I ended up getting the Folgers coffee because my stepdad's coming to town for Christmas and I needed to get some coffee because Graham and I don't drink coffee. But this was $2.99. I used a 50-cent off coupon for this. So you guys would get this for $2.49. I don't know prices for coffee at all, so I don't know how well of a deal this is, but I thought this is perfect for my stepdad when he comes to visit. And it doesn't expire for a year. So I could use this, multiple times for a year. I ended up getting the Dentex picks. Now they had ones with 90 in them, and then they had ones with the 75-cent count. Now the 75-cent count, these were for sensitive teeth and gums, which I want to try. But my coupon, I had a hard time for it to scan. So I printed off a $1 off coupon from the Dentex website and gave it to them. These are buy one, get one free. They're $3.59. You can only use one coupon. So use that $1 off. They come to be $2.59. That's basically like $1.30 for this. Not the greatest deal, but I still wanted to get it because we use those, so I wanted to get that. And then, yeah, I don't got hardly anything, you guys. Oh, I don't have any down here, do I? No. I did get root beer. I forgot to bring it downstairs. I just left it in the garage because I thought I had one down here. But yeah, I just put it out in the garage because there's no point. Our garage is a nice refrigerator in the winter, but right now it's 55 degrees outside. But I did get root beer and a Dr. Pepper. They're 3 for $7.99. They come out to be just $2.66 a piece, which is a pretty good deal. I've been starting to buy my soda or pop at Walgreens lately because it's such a great deal. Better than the grocery store prices, so I did that. Now if you guys do buy 7-Up or Canada Dry, there is an Ibotta rebate for it, so if you guys are desperate to get those Ibotta rebates before Christmas, you can definitely go ahead and do that. I'm I won't reach level 4 for Ibotta because I need 25 rebates, and that's just not going to happen. So, yes. So, I want to do that if you guys can do that deal. I do have a picture to insert right here for you. The next deal we got is the Russell Stouffer. Now, I wanted to get Graham the peanut butter ones. They didn't have them. So I'm like, okay, Graham, sorry, I'm just going to get some candy for me. So these are on sale for just 35 cents a piece. These are always this price. It's either on sale or it's with an insert coupon. So, yeah. So I got these, and this is caramel. So I'm pretty excited to try one. I haven't had one of these in a while, so I got that. So that was my haul, you guys. It was kind of lame, but you know what? I wanted to share with you guys. It's going to be a dull week, probably for the next 2 weeks because of the holidays. You know, not many people are focusing on couponing. Us crazy people are, but not your average person. But yeah, my total came to $32.90. I ended up getting $4.25 back with Ibotta. The 25-cent was the any receipt, and then I got 2 and 2 for Nautica and Adidas. I will be getting $5 from Savings Star. Now, a lot of you guys are saying you're not getting it. I finally got my money. It takes about 2 to 3 days after you purchase the product for it to work, but it did work for me. I've seen it work like twice already, so give it some time. If you guys don't hear back from them, whatever day you guys buy it, wait at least 72 hours, and if you do not hear back from them, submit an email or receipt. Take a picture of your receipt and then tell them the product that you got with the UPC of the product you got and say, hey, this is not working on my Walgreens account, and they will credit you guys. They're super helpful with it. They've done that to me a couple times, so definitely let you guys know with that. Checkout 51, I got $4 for the Adidas and $4 for the Nautica. And then I ended up getting a register reward for $3. So my grand total came to $16.65. Comes out to be $1.11 or just 15 items. So some of that stuff is definitely worth $1.11. So just wanted to share with you guys my haul. But yeah, it's a small haul. I will not be doing a second haul for you guys unless something is a hot item that I need to share with you guys. I just kind of need a nice break from couponing and spending time with my family on Christmas. I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas, and I will see you guys all after the holidays. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.